Hey, I'm Claudia and I'm new to baking bread, so this is a super easy recipe one of my German friends gave me. You need 1¼ cups of water, 3 cups of water and 3 teaspoons of sugar or honey, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baked malt, but you can also skip that part. Warm up the water, make sure it's the right temperature so the yeast doesn't die, about 98, 97, 99 degrees. Now add your yeast. This is fresh yeast, you can also use dry yeast. And the sugar to activate the yeast. Mix it all up and get it in your stand mixer. Now you can add your dry ingredients and let it mix up until the dough forms. Flour your surface and get your dough out there, and then divide the dough into 8 pieces. Once you get your 8 pieces, you want to make sure they're all about the same size, and then use this technique to create those crusty rolls. Get your stoneware and season it up with some oil. Cut a slit in it. Put the lid on it. This creates the brick oven effect. Bake it at 450 for about 30 minutes, then take the lid off and then bake it for another 10-15 minutes until it's nice and brown. Bon appetit!